Here I have the right hemisphere of the sheep brain that I'll be using to identify the key features. Starting over here with the spinal cord, and that helps send motor commands from the brain to the body and helps with sensory information from the body to the brain, and also coordinates reflexes. Within the spinal cord, right over here, is the central canal, which transports nutrients to the spinal cord. Here, you'll see the medulla, which helps control blood pressure, heart rate, and respirations. Here, the pons, containing a nervous tract that connects the cerebellum to other parts of the brain and spinal cord. Here, you have the midbrain, which helps with movement in the eyes and auditory and visual processing. Coming over here, you have the hypothalamus, which helps control homeostasis within the body, and this is body temp, fluid balance, appetite, etc. Below that, you would have the pituitary gland, which helps control other endocrine glands. Over here, you have the optic nerve, which, as suggested, helps send messages from the eyes to the brain, creating visual images. Over here, you have the olfactory bulb, which helps with the sense of smell. This area right here would be known as the gyrus, and these are the folds of the brain. Right here is an example of the sulcus, which are the grooves that are in between the gyri. Right here, you have the septum pellucidum that contains white matter, neurons, fiber bundles, and blood vessels. This area is the corpus callosum, which connects the brain hemispheres and allows for communication between them. Right here, you have the thalamus, which is the processing station for body senses. Here is the pineal gland, which helps with sleep rhythm and secretes melatonin. Here you have the superior caliculus, which allows eye movement, gaze shifting, and reactive reflexes such as head turning. Here you have the cerebral aqueduct, which connects the third and the fourth ventricle of the brain and contains cerebrospinal fluid. Here you have the cerebellum, which controls balance and muscle coordination. And this is a good place to really show off the gray matter and the white matter. The gray matter is what helps with processing of sensations, perceptions, and where cognition takes place. The white matter connects gray matter to the body and also helps provide communication between gray matter to other gray matter.